This is a 6-inch gutter machine. All of our gutters are made seamless, and here you can see us installing the hidden hangers. These hidden hangers are spaced roughly every 30 inches. The hidden hangers in this 6-inch gutter are mechanically fastened. Mechanically fastened meaning we don't nail them in, we screw them in. Here we mark the back of the gutter for the length. As to next step is to cut the gutter. We'll be using a little bit of WD-40 as a cutting agent to go ahead and cut the gutter by hand. Please watch. After the gutter has been cut to length, we make preparations to install the end cap. First, we crimp the end cap into the gutter, and we will be crimping it in no less than 6 places. After the end cap has been installed, we will then measure and mark for the outlet. The outlet is where all of the water leaves the gutter. When the outlet is mechanically fastened to the gutter, we then apply adhesive. The adhesive is going to stop any water from leaking out of the outlet and out of the end cap. This completes our 32-foot custom gutter install. For all your gutter needs, please reach out to William Penn Roofing at 215-WPR Roof or visit the website williampennroofing.com.